Let's throw the other chatterbait out. Just bombed that one. The walk on this one. Grab this little crappy. Who knows? They might want the little Ned rig. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's because they want the little Ned rig, right? Instead of the chatty. Let's see. Maybe. I don't know if y'all can see it. We'll go right over there. It's a big old boat. Throw a couple casts over here real quick. But let's see. This is tight. Alright, that was a horrible cast. Definitely didn't go in the direction I wanted it to. Went straight into those lily pads. So, you guys windy, man. No matter where you cast, it's gonna take it where it wants to go. Let that net sink a little bit. There you go. Alright, I think I'm gonna go over there real quick and get my Baitcaster. Gosh. Hold on. Dude. Oh, those are those little sucking fish. I forget what they're called. All they do is just suck. Dude, I don't know if y'all could see them. There's like 5 of them. Holy crap, there's like 5 of them right there. Dude, there's like 5 of them. Dude, I don't know if y'all could see that. There's literally like 5 of them right there. I've never really seen one of these fish bite anything, dude. You know how many times I've tried to catch those little fish? They don't bite nothing. Dude, they literally don't bite anything. Dude, I'll be feeling like I could just grab them. I hate going through this seaweed. Through the... Oh my gosh, it's always bad when I get through it, dude. I'm about to just put a top on. Maybe I hate that. That's why I want to go over there. Over there is more... It's more areas to just fish. It's not so much... Dude, there's gotta be something. Probably get on this boat right quick. Oh, dude, they don't got the cage. I hate boats that don't got no cage on it, man. I feel like I'm balancing for my life. Alright, there goes nothing. Oh, heck no, it's a sketch. There's a sketch. Super sketch, bro. But we're gonna go for it. In the name of catching a bass. I feel like there's something like right here in this murkiness. Anyway, dude, I'm not gonna lie, this is super sketch. I'm getting off. Babe, I have both of my rods over there. My other two rods, they're right behind the black sticks. If you want to grab one. If you want to grab one to use it. Got one. Oh, this one look a little ugly. Look at this little small little man. Look, babe. Yeah, it was my first one. What's up, little buddy?
He's bleeding.
Yeah, I know.
Right where you're about to put your finger in.
It's alright.
He's cute, run back.
No, it's not blood. He got bit by something. He probably got something going on. Let me put you back. Thanks for biting him, brother. Go on, little brother. Go ahead. I don't think it's wrong. Oh man, I almost slipped and busted my butt. Y'all think it's wrong for my wife to put the Bible on the rag?
Blur my face off.
I'm not blurring your face off. Watch out, you almost stepped on the thing, girl.
You're crazy. I'm gonna put this in your book.
Okay. Well, I don't know if I have space in there, but oh yeah, I do actually. I really want to go over there, but you know we Christian, we can't hop the fences. That means stay out, right, babe? Bring them both if you want. Yeah, I didn't want to weigh that one. That one I know was under a pound for sure, obviously, so I wasn't even tripping about that one. Just in case y'all want to know, I'm fishing on a little chatter bait, a little chatter spinner bait. Let me see if I can bring her in real quick. It's like a little chatter bait type of thing with some spinners on it and then a white little fluke on the chatter. SLX XT Shimano. Got some 20-pound braid on it. KastKing Royale Legend Pro spinner bait, 7-foot rod. Yeah, that was a little small boy. We got a little pipsqueak. Let me see if I find something worth catching today. If not, then, you know, thank God I at least caught something. Give God the glory whether I caught something or not. Give him the glory always. Need help? Need help? See, my wife independent. She don't need my help. Until she do. Watch. Bet you she's gonna need my help. You got it? All right, let me know. Any help? I told you. Here, hold this. Don't cast it, girl. Definitely gonna bird nest that deep. It's all right. It happens. For free.
Got it?
Yeah. Told you gotta reel it in until the tension's tight enough and then pull the string towards you. It's easier that way. It's all right, bro.
This seems bad.
Yeah, I know. I was about to say if you want, go like a little bit more, like cast that way. I was thinking about going over there too. I'll burn this. You just gotta. Oh, pull it. Reel it in. Yeah. Reel it in. Oh, we got you going. Dang, that's a big one, babe. Damn, my wife just look what she just caught. What the heck?
I don't even know what I'd be doing.
We're gonna have to weigh this one. Get the scale out my bag. Look at my wife just caught on the little crappy. I told you that Ned rig good.
Where's the other scale?
The big one.
This one, no?
Oh yeah, this is at least. Babe, you just. This got to be your. Let's see how much. Ooh, little 2-pounder. Little 2-pounder. Hold her up, babe. I got you. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
They caught a little 2-pounder on the crappie ride. Let's get him back in there before he start tripping. She healthy too. Like that's a good little bass right there. That's gonna be a big boy soon.
Hopefully don't get back on there.
All right, let's release him. Thank you for biting, little man. Dude, they just caught her a little 2-pounder. I caught me not even a 1-pounder. Dang, I'm gonna be showing out like that, girl. There she go. Good job, babe. That was a good one. All right. I can't let my wife beat me in the fishing contest. Babe, you ain't gonna put them keys on the floor like that, girl. I told you, babe, the little net rig. Sometimes it catch. No, it was a healthy bass though. It wasn't no skinny one. In a couple of years, that's gonna be a 5-pounder for sure. You see how healthy it looked? No, that was a. I wouldn't call that a baby, but it wasn't like a. That was a full grown bass. Wouldn't say a baby though, but.
Or leave it like right next to you.
You can just leave it. Huh? What? No, it's on. I took it off, baby. It's there. See, that net rig always catch though. I ain't got time to be taking out them bird nest all day. I wish we had a boat all along that bank on the side. Mad bass chill over there. There's a lot of cover. I'm proud of my wife. She just caught a 2-pounder. That's the biggest bass I ever seen her caught. The biggest fish in general I've seen her catch. She wasn't even that excited. It's getting a little dark out here, y'all. I'll have to end this little video a little early. Hope y'all liked it though. Just me and my wife fishing a little bit. She decided to come out, tag along. See if I catch a big boy for y'all. I don't know how it's looking. Shoot, my wife might catch another one before I do. That net rig, I'm telling you, that net rig. If y'all don't fish with them net rigs, I'm telling you. Go ahead and throw you a net rig. It's gonna catch them every time. It's like them Senkos. Stuck? Remember what I told you, reel it in all the way as much as you can and then grab the line and pull towards you. Walk back if you need to. Just walk back with the line. There you go. You see? My wife learning. I love it. Gotta teach her so she could just be out here with me instead of complaining when I'm out fishing. She be here fishing with me. Look, she done caught her son over there, a little 2-pounder. I'm proud of her. She don't even know. But we need something else to bite before the night end, though. Just one last bite, we'll be all right. We get one more bite, we're cooling. Dang, son just hit it. I just felt son hit it, dang it. Cast out there again. But I seen a lot of movement over there in that corner. Let me fix it. Like, this little...
The other way?
Yeah, I was about to say before it gets too dark. We gotta redo this one, but the other bass kind of made us. Oh, that was good. Here, let's go to the other lake real quick. Here, hold this.
You said let's go to the other lake.
Oh, no, I just wanted to do one last cast here. I'm proud of you, babe. You caught you a nice one. You caught the biggest bass of the day.
It's only been an hour.
I'm telling you, sometimes I'm out here for hours, you don't catch nothing.
Here comes good luck.
That's why I be telling you to come